Hello everyone, welcome back to How To Tutorials. In today's video, I'll be guiding you through the steps to create your very own AliExpress account. Let's get started. Make sure you have the AliExpress app installed on your mobile device. Open the app to begin the account creation process. Once the app is open, select your country or region and click Continue. This is the homepage of AliExpress app. Now, tap the account option at the bottom right of your screen. Next, press the gear icon at the top right. Click on Profile at the top. AliExpress offers multiple registration options. You can sign up using Google, Facebook, or Twitter. For this tutorial, I'll be using my email. So tap on More Options, enter your email address, and make sure it's valid. Click Continue. Generate a strong password. Now tap Register. The app will send you a verification code to the email address you provided. Check your email for the code and enter it here. You've successfully created your AliExpress account. Happy shopping! If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more video updates. Thank you!